we see in Gaudiya Sampradaya, the devotees worship the gopis, and they're the most renounced. Look at our Das Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami. Was he a worshipper of the gopis? Certainly. He's teaching the path of perfection, prayojan. So renounced. Rup Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, Gopal Bhatta, Raghunath Bhatta, Jeev Goswami. Tyaktva Turnamashi Shamandala Pati Srenim Sadatu Chava. They were tyagis. Tyaktva Turnamashi Shamandalapati. Mandalapati. The mandala, the circle of influence, friends, power, name, fame, control. They're working in the government 500 years ago. Ministers, treasury minister, home affairs minister. And gave it all up to run the Vrindavan and follow the gopis and learn how to be fully detached. Gopi bhava rasamritabda lahari. Says that they so much followed the gopis, they became absorbed in their bhav. The gopis' bhav, the gopis' mood of service and dedication, surrender and love, the Brajastriya Krishna Grihita Manasa. They lost their minds by worshipping the gopis and became the most exemplary vairagis in the history of India. The Sad Goswamis Vrindavan, they're still worshipped and painted and glorified even today. The famous 6 Goswamis, Sad Goswamis of Vrindavan, that lived here 500 years ago. Gaudiya, Vaishnava, Vairagi, Acharyas, Rasik Janas.